This video is to show you how to use the MyCards website by thecardproject.uk. This is a website where we can create any design, pop it on the website, and our customers can come along and order them as and when they need to order the cards. So your account is set up. So I will basically log in. So you come to the main screen here, enter your email address, and then click go to my order. If you've set a password, which is advisable, and you can do that from the account section at the top, you need to authenticate. This is where you set a password, or it says change a password in my case, because I have one. When you first come to the website, when it's first set up, there won't be a password set, but I do recommend setting one up for obvious reasons. So after you've logged in, if you've got multiple card designs, then you get a choice of which one you want to work on, or rather create an order for. So I'm going to click this one. If you've only got one card file, then this is the screen you would arrive at. It would simply select the one card file that you've got, and it's ready for you to build your order. Now I'm using a credit account, and so what this means is that I use card and postage credits. This is set up so that customers who order regularly don't have to worry about sort of paying cash and stuff. You can buy credits all in one go, and what we do is we click on this option here to buy credits. You can see these are test values, but I have no card credits. So if I add 5 card credits and 3 postage credits, that would give me 42 pence, I think. So if I click update, then I can pay with PayPal, which you can't see, it's on another screen. Just bear with me, and I'm completing my own purchase, so I'm giving me money, and this is what happens next. It says thank you, an email arrives, and the credits are topped up. So if I click go home, this is the log on screen again, go to my order. If you remember, I selected this card, and I've now got credits, so I can add a card to my order. I simply click this button here. So this card has now been added to my order, but it's not a great deal of use. This screen is where we edit the details for the card, and there aren't many. So first I will add a photograph. Let's have this chap here, forget his name. Oh, it's come to me now. And this is where we enter their details. Homer at the Car Project, he does work here, and he's a nuclear physicist, isn't he? No, probably not. So back to the basket, and this is a list of all the cards in our order, and you can see you can clearly proof them, and this is the graphic that's sent to the printer. So whatever you can see here is what we print and send out, and it's that simple. I've got a single card in my order. So let me add one more card, and if I choose get image, let's have Lisa. Finished. And Lisa Simpson. That would be Lisa at thecardproject.uk. And of course, she is one of those. I really shouldn't have gone for that word, it's difficult to spell. So we now have 2 cards in our order, and anytime I'm ready to check out, you can build an order. If you're a credits customer, you can build an order throughout the week, and then when you want to have them printed and posted, you just go to the shopping cart. You can see that it shows me this file. There are going to be 2 cards, and it tells me how many credits I will have after the purchase, a single postage credit. So I'll just click order now using credit and put OK, and it's as simple as that. Now when I go home to my order, you can see my credits have gone down, and there are now no cards in my order. You can view historical cards or cards that you've ordered before. If you do need to do a reprint, you can view card history, and these are all the cards that have been printed in the past, and you can view details, look at the card. Let's have a look again. This one's a long time ago. Now, I can choose buy again on this one because the card had been printed and sent out to the customer. Whereas in this case, I can only view the card because it's not yet been printed. So I could choose buy again for that card and it goes straight into my basket. But of course, if I want to remove an item from the basket, I go to the edit and there's a red button here. And I'll just remove it from my order. So it's pretty straightforward. You basically at the basket most of the time, and when you add a new card, you get the edit screen here. And then when you click finish, you're back at the basket with the cards in the basket. If you wish to edit, you just click on the card and you're back in the edit screen again. Right, I shall remove this card, and that is the end of that introduction video.